Okay children, this chapter ratio and applications lo exercise 3 completed. Now exercise 4 ratio and applications lo exercise 4 annamata. Exercise 4 first problem see children. In a school X 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed. In another school Y 30 students appeared and 24 students passed. If the district educational officer wants to give an award on the basis of pass percentage, to which school will he give the award? So ఒక స్కూల్ X లో 48 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తే 36 స్టూడెంట్స్ పాస్ అయినారు. నెక్స్ట్ స్కూల్ Y 30 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ అపియర్డ్ ఫర్ 10th క్లాస్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఇన్ దట్ ఎగ్జామ్ 24 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ పాస్డ్. సో DO wants to give a award. ఓకే, సో విచ్ స్కూల్ హ్యావ్ ద అవార్డ్? సో ఏ స్కూల్కి మనకి అవార్డు వస్తుంది అంటే ఏంటి, పాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఏ స్కూల్కి ఎక్కువగా వస్తే ఆ స్కూల్కి అవార్డు వస్తుంది. సో విచ్ స్కూల్ గోట్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పర్సంటేజ్? సి చిల్డ్రన్, మనం ఈ ఎక్సైజ్లో ఏం నేర్చుకుంటాం? పర్సంటేజ్ నేర్చుకుంటాం. సి చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పర్సంటేజ్ సింబల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పర్సంటేజ్ సింబల్. దట్ మీన్స్ 1% అంటే 1/100 అని అంటాం. 1% means 1/100. This percentage value is 100. This percentage value is 100. 1% means 1/100. For example, 5% means 5/100. 5% means 5/100. So percentage ni ఇలా నార్మల్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నా సి మనం పర్సంటేజ్ కనుక్కున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము? మనకు వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ బై టోటల్ ఇంటూ 100 చేస్తాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై టోటల్ మార్క్స్ ఇంటూ 100 చేస్తాం. ఏదైనా అంతే, క్లాస్లో స్ట్రెంత్ పర్సంటేజ్ అంటే ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ బై టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఇంటూ పర్సంటేజ్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 10th క్లాస్ ఎగ్జామ్ 30 మెంబర్స్, సో పాస్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై టోటల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంటూ పర్సంటేజ్. ఓకే, పర్సంటేజ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఇంటూ చేస్తాం, పర్సంటేజ్ని నార్మల్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే బై 100 చేస్తాం. బై 100 చేస్తాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, డూ అండర్స్టాండ్? See, first from the first school, first problem solution from school X. First అదే కదా, school X. So how many students appeared for 10th class exam? Number of students appeared for 10th class, for 10th exams. Because how many students appeared? 48. Okay children, next number of how many students passed? Number of students passed. Number of students passed. How many students passed children? 36 students passed. 36 students passed. Now what is the pass percentage? Pass percentage is equal see children, pass number of students passed 36 by total 48 into 100. Now convert into percentage kada, so into 100 చేస్తున్నాం. పర్సంటేజ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇంటూ 100 చేయాలి, పర్సంటేజ్ ని నార్మల్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు డివిజన్ 100 చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ see 36 by 48 into 100. Now which is the common table? 6 table. See children, 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 6 are 36. Okay children, next 6 by 8 into 100. Now see 6 by 8 into 100. ఇది మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? 8 not going, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 ఉంటుంది, 4 5s are 20, 25. Okay children, 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. Now that is equal 6 into 25. 2 1s are this one 6, 2 table going, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now 25 into 3, that is equal 75%. 75%. pass percentage equal to from school X. School X 10th class students pass percentage 75. Okay children, next. Therefore pass percentage equal to 75. This is school X. Next, school Y. School Y. School Y. Okay. Number of students appeared for. Number of students. See children, how many students in this Y? From the second school, 30 students. Exams equal to how many students? 30 students. 30 students. Number of students passed. Number of students passed. How many students passed children? In that out of 30, 24 students passed. 24 students passed. This data in the question. This data in the question lo icharu kabatti see children. Now pass percentage. Pass percentage is equal number of students passed by total students into 100. Okay. Now 24 by 30 into 100. See children. 24 by 30 into 100. Okay. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 5 20s are 100. Now 4 into 20 for 80%. 80%. Therefore pass percentage is equal to 80. See children, school X 75%, school Y got 80%. So which school got that award? So this school Y got the award. Okay children, so that is the answer. Okay, do you understand? Therefore, see children, therefore 75% is less than 80%. Okay. Therefore, DO should give the award second school. Okay, children, note down. Second problem. See, second problem. See, last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000 rupees. This year it goes down to 4000 rupees. What is the percentage of decrease in price? Okay, children. ఒక article అనేది 1000 articles. Last year ఎంత 5000 rupees. ఈ year 4000 rupees. So 5000 నుంచి 4000 కి మనకి ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినట్ట డిక్రీజ్ అయినట్ట 5000 నుంచి 4000 కి డిక్రీజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిక్రీజ్ పర్సంటేజ్? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సి నౌ ఫస్ట్ last year cost of how many articles? Cost of 1000 articles. 1000 articles equal how many rupees? 5000 rupees. Rupees 5000. Okay children, now cost of one article. Cost of one article. One article is equal 5000 by 1000. Okay then is equal to how many times going? 5 times going. It is 5. 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 5s are 5000 కాబట్టి so one article వచ్చేసి 5 rupees అవుతుంది. Okay, next this year cost of 1000 articles, cost of 1000 articles equal rupees 4000 rupees. Okay, now cost of one article, cost of one article is equal to 4,000 by 1,000. How many times going 1,000 4 sir? 4,000 rupees. So this is 4 times going. This here one article equal to 4 rupees. See children, decrease in price. So in the decrease in మనకి 5 rupees నుంచి 4 rupees की decrease in కాబట్టి 5 minus 4 that is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee difference. So what is that percentage? Decrease in percentage. Decrease in percentage. Decrease in percentage is equal. How much difference children? 1 by which is the highest? 5 into 100. Okay children, 1 by 5 into 100. That means 100 ones are 100 by 5. 100 by 5. 100 by 5 means how many times going? 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are 100. 20% decrease. Okay, last year की 20% decrease. Therefore, decrease in percentage is equal to 20%. Okay, children, you understand? This is last year. This is this year. Okay, the difference is equal to decrease in percentage. 20%. Okay, note down. Next one. Next problem, third problem. Sridhoti has a basket full of bananas, oranges and mangoes. Okay, Sridhoti దగ్గర ఒక basket ఉంది. ఆ basket లో full bananas, full fruits ఉన్నాయి. ఆ fruits లో basket bananas, oranges and mangoes. Okay, if 50% are bananas, 15% are oranges, then what percent are mangoes? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, టోటల్ 100% అనుకుంటే 100% నుంచి 50% బనానాస్ తీసేయండి, 15% ఆరెంజెస్ సపరేట్ చేయండి. సో రిమైనింగ్ పర్సంటేజ్ మ్యాంగోస్ అవుతుంది. సి చిల్డ్రన్, పర్సెంట్ ఆఫ్ బనానాస్ equal how much percent of bananas? 50%. Next, percent of oranges equal to 15%. Now find the percent of mangoes. Percent of mangoes equal మనం full basket of banana, full basket కదా, so that is total 100% ఉంటే 100% minus this to remove 50% minus 15%. Subtract these 2 percentages. అంటే టోటల్ ఫుల్ బాస్కెట్ ఆఫ్ బనానాస్, దీంట్లో ఫుల్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకున్నాం, బనానాస్, ఆరెంజెస్, మ్యాంగోస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ బనానాస్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలి, ఆరెంజెస్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ మ్యాంగోస్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం అదే చేస్తున్నాము. 100% minus 50 minus 10, 15. That is what 100% minus 50. If this both are negative values, so first add 50 plus 15, 65% minus 65. Now 100 minus 65, 35%. Therefore percent of mangoes 35%. Okay children, next fourth one, 64% plus 20% plus dash is equal to 100%. First add that to 64 plus 20, 84. So remaining how much percent I need to 100 అవ్వాలంటే ఇంకెంత అవసరం మనకి, సో అది మీరు ఫిల్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ చూడండి. See that fifth one, on a rainy day out of 150 students in a school, 25 are absent. Find the percent of students absent from the school. What percentage of students are present? Okay children, so మనకి rainy day రోజు total 150 students లో 25 are absent, 25 absent అయినారు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంతో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, see. Okay, this one completed. Next, pass. Total number of students in that school. Total how many students in that school? Total students equal to total 150 students. Okay children, number of students absent, number of students absent, number of students absent. How many students absent children? 25. See in the question, 25 are absent. 25. Now see children, total 150 students lo 25 absent, the remaining how much percent, how many students are present? So subtract these two numbers. Number of students present is equal 150 minus 25. 150 minus 25 is equal to 125 students are present. Total 125 students are present. Now what we can find, find out cheyali first to find the percentage students absent from the school. First enta percentage absent ayinaro adi manam find out cheyali. Okay children, see percentage of absent. Okay children, how many students are absent? 25 by total how many students? 150 into 100. Okay children, percentage lo convert cheyali into 100 chestam kada. Now see 25 by 150 into 100 and see children, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 six are 150, 25 6 are 150. Now see children, 100 by 6, 100 by 6 ni మీరు డివిజన్ చేయండి children. 100 by 6 ని డివిజన్ చేయండి, లేదా కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. 100 6 ని కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. 6 ones are 6, remaining 4 0, 6 6 are 36, remaining 4. Okay, see children, 16 4 by 6 percentage. So these percentage of students are absent. This is absent percentage. Next, how many students present? Now percentage of present. See children, how many students present? 125 by 150 into 100. See children, 25 table is the common. 25 5s are 125, 25 6 are 150. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, here 2 5s are 10, 50. Okay, see children, 50 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 250 by 3, it is equal to 250 by 3. Okay, 250 by 3 convert into decimal, mixed fraction. 3 8s are 24, 1 0, 3 3s are 9. Okay children, what is the percentage? That is equal 83, 1 by 3. Okay children, this is the past percentage. Present percentage, present day students percentage is 83, 1 by 3. Absent is 16, 4 by 6. Okay children, do you understand? No doubt. The division also very important children. మనకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వట్లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వనప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అండ్ డెసిమల్స్లో నేర్చుకున్నాం ఎలా మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలని. సో అందుకని మనం ఇక్కడ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి పాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ తీసుకుంటాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఆబ్సెంట్ పర్సెంటేజ్. ఓకే చూద్దాం, నో డౌట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. See what is the next problem? Sixth one. Out of 12,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the number of people voted in the constituency. So before problems lo em chesam manam normal numbers isse percentage లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసాం. Now percentage to convert normal numbers. Okay children, see consistency total how many voters are there? 12,000 voters లో 60% మాత్రమే ఓట్లు వేశారు. సో 60% means how many voters? సో అది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే children, now see percentage of people of people who voted equal total how many children ఎంత మంది ఓటు వేశారు 60% of total 12,000 60% of 12,000 ఓకే children total 12,000 లో మనకి 60% ఓట్స్ వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఓటెడ్ number of people voted. Okay children, I will first introduction lo cheppanu 1% means 1/100 percentage means by 100 cheyali. Okay children, now here 60% is 60 by 100. This half means into ikkada half ante entante multiplication into 12,000. Okay children, now 60 into 12,000 by 100. Okay children, here two zeros cancel out. And that means 100 two zeros into 1 times 1. Okay, now 60 into 120. 60 into 120. See children, two zeros right here. 12 6 are 72. Okay children, 7,200 people voted. Okay, 60% means 7,200. Okay, 60% అంటే 7,200. Okay children, do you understand? Note down. Next see children, 7th 8th homework చేయండి మా. Next 9th one, see 9th one last problem from this exercise. 9th one, %40 of a number is 800, then find that number. 40% of 800. See children, 40% means 40 by 100, half means into 800. Okay children, now that is equal 40 into 800 by 100. 100 ones are 100, 100 eights are 800. Now 40 into 8, that is equal to 40 into 8, that is equal to 4 eights are 32, that means 40 into 320. So the number is equal to 320. And 800 lo 40% means that value is 320. Okay children, so this is about percentage and values. Okay, note down now. See children, one more problem. Listen from this exercise. Exercise 4 లోనే ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి మా. 8th one చూడండి. 8th problem. In every gram of gold, a goldsmith mixes 0.25 grams of silver and 0.05 grams of copper. Okay, what is the percentage of gold, silver and copper in every gram of gold? అంటే ఒక 1 గ్రామ్ గోల్డ్ లో మనకి ఏమేమి మిక్స్ అయి ఉంటుంది? సిల్వర్ అండ్ కాపర్ మిక్స్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే 1 గ్రామ్ గోల్డ్లో గోల్డ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంత, సిల్వర్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంత, కాపర్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంత ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నా సి ఇన్ 1 gram gold the quantity of silver అంటే ఫస్ట్ చూడాలి. the quantity of silver equal to how much silver percentage? 0.25 grams. 0.25 grams. Okay, next the quantity of copper is equal how much? 0.05 grams. 0.05 grams. Now the quantity of gold quantity of gold is equal to, see children, total 1 gram gold kada, so 1 minus, subtract these two numbers, 0.25, 0.05. Okay, here in brackets remove and here also write minus, these two subtract here. Now that is equal, see children, it means 1 minus, this is 0.30. Okay, 1.00 minus 0.30. Okay, 0 bar 10 borrow 10 10 minus 3 7 point, here remaining number 0 0 minus 0 0. So what is the gold person? Gold quantity 0.70 grams. Okay, so that means 1 gram gold lo actual ga gold enta avutundi 0.70 grams gold మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. So remaining these two, silver and copper. Okay, now find the percentage of the three. Okay, percentage of gold find out cheyali, percentage of silver find out cheyali, percentage of copper find out cheyali. Okay children, now see first. First, percentage of gold, silver find out first. Silver is equal, what is that? 0.25 by total how many grams gold? 1 gram gold into 100. Okay children, now 0.25 by 1 by 1 lekuna unte same answer untundi, 0.25 into 100, 0.25 into 100, that is equal to, see children, already మనం fractions and decimals లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. So into 100 అంటే decimal point move for right side 2 digits after, because here 2 zeros there, ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 digits right side పోతుంది, that means 25%. Okay children, 25% అవుతుంది. Okay, next silver after copper, percentage of copper, percentage of copper is equal 0.05 by 1 into 100 is equal 0.05 into 100 is equal to 5%. Okay children, here point after 2 digits, here 2 zeros, cancel out into only 5%. Now percentage of gold, percentage of gold. Okay children, see of gold. See children, what is the quantity of gold? 0.70 grams. 0.70 by 1 into 100, that is equal 0.70 into 100. Okay children, so point after 2 digits, 2 zeros, 2 digits cancel అవుతుంది, remaining 70 అవుతుంది, 70%. Okay children, total 100% అవుతుందా లేదా చూడండి. Gold 70%, silver 25, 95% plus copper 5%, total 100%. Okay children, అర్థమైంది కదా ఎలా చేయాలో? So this is the solution. Okay, note down. This exercise completed. Exercise 4 completed. Okay.